Prepare for my other EAS alert. This is number 35. This is number 35. Folks, I'm eating a beef stick I'm eating some gems right now.
The National Weather Service in Midland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Pecos County in southwest Texas until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time at 2:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time. National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located over extreme west central Pecos County, or 32 miles northeast of Fort Davis, moving east at 5 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will affect the following locations: western Pecos County, Gulf 67, in addition to large hail and damaging winds. Deadly cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Seek safe shelter now.
And that was the EAS alert, number 35. Severe thunderstorm warning. I'm sorry, I have food in my mouth, ladies and gentlemen, for Pecos County. I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know why I have food in my mouth, so I swallowed it now. So I don't mean to have food in my mouth. It's my braces. I get my braces out 2 months. So here's the rest of it, though. Special credit for the EAS experience for creating this EAS Created 2.0. Thank you very much. We are off the air.